Major shifts in U.S. immigration and federal policy are here. H1B wages are set to rise. Visa screenings are stricter. The Supreme Court is reviewing birthright citizenship. DHS employees are getting paid amid a shutdown, and election integrity is being strengthened. These changes could impact immigrants, voters, and federal operations. Let's break down what you need to know fast. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. U.S. proposes H1B and PERM wage overhaul. In a major move, the U.S. Department of Labor has proposed a sweeping hike in H1B and employment-based green card wages. Entry-level salaries could rise from the 17th to the 34th percentile, with mid- and high-level wages also seeing significant increases, potentially adding $14,000 per position annually. The goal: curb cheap labor, align foreign worker pay with U.S. market rates, and protect local talent. The changes will impact new H1B, PERM, and labor condition applications only, not existing approvals. Employers may face higher costs for entry-level hires. The proposal opens a 60-day public comment period and could face legal challenges, marking another major shift in U.S. skilled worker immigration policy. Expanded screening for visa applicants. Starting March 30th, the U.S. Department of State is widening its online presence checks. Who is affected? Beyond H1B and student visas, now A3, C3 domestic workers, G5, H3, H for dependents, K, 1, 2, 3Q, R1 or 2 ST, and U visa applicants must comply. Social media access. Applicants must make social media profiles public to aid vetting. Purpose of vetting. These checks ensure applicants pose no threat to national security, public safety, or U.S. interests. Visa as a privilege. Every decision safeguards Americans. Entry is granted only to those eligible and intending lawful activity. Trump issues executive order on voter citizenship verification. President Donald Trump has signed an executive order targeting stricter citizenship checks for federal elections. The directive calls for a national database of U.S. citizens and sets new rules for mail-in voting. Legal experts predict court challenges could delay full implementation, possibly beyond the 2026 midterms. Critics warn the order could create confusion, especially for naturalized citizens who often face record-keeping errors. Democrats have already filed a lawsuit claiming the order exceeds presidential authority and threatens voting rights. Supreme Court challenges Trump's birthright citizenship plan. In a dramatic legal showdown, the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments over President Trump's bid to end birthright citizenship, a right under the 14th Amendment that has stood for over 150 years. Trump's 2025 executive order sought to deny citizenship to children born here to non-citizen parents, a move rejected by every lower court before reaching the high court. Justices expressed deep skepticism about rewriting the Constitution and echoed landmark precedent affirming automatic citizenship for most U.S. births. The case's outcome could redefine American national identity and reshape immigration law. Congress takes action to end DHS partial shutdown. Republican leaders, including John Thune and Mike Johnson, have unveiled a two-step plan to resolve the Department of Homeland Security funding deadlock. First, Congress will pass a short-term bill to reopen operations and end the partial shutdown. Next, lawmakers will tackle a longer-term funding measure addressing immigration enforcement and border security. Weeks of unpaid work have hit DHS employees amid disputes over enforcement limits. President Donald Trump has called for quick action, urging Congress to finalize a deal by June 1st. In 2023, around 320,000 babies, nearly 9% of all U.S. births, were born to mothers without permanent legal status, new data shows. A Pew Research Center analysis reveals that roughly 260,000 of these children would not have qualified for citizenship under the birthright rules proposed by former President Donald Trump. Births to unauthorized immigrants have shifted over time, falling after 2006 and rising again in recent years. These numbers highlight the potential impact of the birthright citizenship changes currently under review by the Supreme Court of the United States. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss updates on U.S. immigration news and tips.